Like 1st of January, we're always here. Some don't always make it, like 29th of February. We don't take for granted, but we march to April, not like fools, but like the wise.
So teach us to number our days, so that we may gain a heart of wisdom.
So Lord, we need your wisdom to always come through, like the 1st of January. Because some don't always make it, 29th of February. We don't take for granted, but we march to April, not like fools. But may we be wise in June, to get the treasure that lies in July, to feel the move August into September. Along with those born in October and November, till we get to December, and be here over again, like the 1st of January.
Because with long life will he satisfy me and show me his salvation.
And with a heart of thanksgiving for coming in January.
Baba, oh, oh, thank you for your love. You bless me, you make my life better. Oh, 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 what shall I render unto the Lord for all the good things you have done for me? Daddy Mo, thank you for your love. You bless me, you make my life better. Oh, 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 what shall I render unto the Lord for all the good things you have done for me? The things you do for me, nobody can do. The miracles you brought my way, you blow my mind, yeah. Let do my way. Nothing compares to you. Can't be your OC, you are wonder in my life. The things you do for me, nobody can do. The miracle you brought my way, oh yeah, me let do my way. Nothing compares to you. Can't be your OC, you are wonder in my life. I've never seen this kind God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I've never seen this kind God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I've never seen this kind God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I've never seen this kind God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. Jesus now wow. Jesus now wonder. Jesus now wow. Jesus now wonder, oh yeah, Jesus now wow, Jesus now wonder, oh, Jesus now wow, Jesus now wonder, oh, the things what you do for me, nobody can do. The miracle you brought my way, it blows my mind, yeah. And let do my rain, nothing compares to you. Can't be your OC. You are wonder in my life. I've never seen this kind God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I've never seen this kind God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I've never seen this kind God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I've never seen this kind God before. Wonder, wonder. Oh yeah, listen. Oh yeah, Jesus now wow. Jesus now wonder. Oh, Jesus now wow. Jesus now wonder, oh, happy birthday, Ola, Shegun, Toby, Tolu, Ibitayo, Molly, Adana, Juwon, Tommy, Taiwo, Christina, Caleb, Tiwa, Emmanuel, happy birthday, Jesus now wow, Jesus now why, yeah, oh, see, we are living in purpose. We are living in purpose. I say we're living in purpose. On purpose, by purpose. We got a revelation. And it's not just by knowing Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Samuel, 1 King, 2 King, Chronicle, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Joseph, Proverb, Ecclesiastes, Song Solomon, Ezra, Nehemiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Jeremiah, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi, Bokai, Matthew. You mark my words. Before you look, we will be long gone in John and acting like a Roman, along with the 1st and 2nd Corinthians, with the Galatians, the Ephesians, the Philippians, and the Colossians. Then we will be dancing like the 2nd Thessalonians and Timothy. Timothy, tell your friends Titus, Philemon, and the Hebrew brothers, James, Peter, Peter, John, and Jude that we got the revelation that teaching us to observe the days is not just counting the days of the year, but making each day count so we can live in purpose, on purpose. Happy birthday to the January born.
Are you living in purpose, on purpose, by purpose? I will living in purpose, on purpose, by purpose. I will living in purpose, you. I know you living in purpose. Are you living in purpose? I know you're living in purpose. I will living in purpose, on purpose, by purpose.